Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. So today, oh, RT boss say Ivany is coming out. RT boss say Ivany free if you walk out the ice. She's freed. She'll be home. She might be home as we speak. So RT saying Ivany is out. And RT was explaining because RT collected $25,000 towards Ivany and her case that she had going. So IT was telling everyone how he spent the money because him share out the money get different people. Cheese get 11 grand and this one I get. Sometimes you don't even know who to believe on the internet. Sometimes in these YouTube streets you honestly do not know who to believe because people come with all type of things. So I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure if that is true or is not true. But I hope if she come out, I hope she learn a valuable lesson. And I hope she doesn't cause anything else like this to happen to her again. Some people still say, some people are saying, Ivan, you know, they're not lock up and it's a whole plan and a lot of people involved in this elaborate scheme that they have going on. Some people say Ivan gonna do her body. But I was thinking, why would Ivan go and do her body? If that's the case, why she would go and do her body 3 months after she gave birth? No, man. I don't think so, but matter of fact, I don't even know what to think. It could be here or it could be there. So she's get 11 grand to pay towards her rent. And RT sort out other people who him feel like did need sorting out. And if that's the case, well, at least he did well with the money. Because he said Ivany never need no lawyer. She got a lawyer before, but she couldn't leave because they said ICE had to come and pick her up. Now they say because 48 hours is gone and it's like ICE they on holiday or something, nobody don't come claim her. So them are gonna just fly the gate and let her out. So in the next clip that's coming up, you're gonna see RT boss explaining how the money thing go, and maybe you can pick sense out. And
She can come on your live, even if it's phone, because I hear her on other people's lines, pre-recording. I mean, I don't know if she's aware of other people, our sensation listening to her, but I feel like as if she should be here on this platform, even to say, guys, I mean, do you agree?
Have you ever wondered if, based on the situation, staying out of the media should be applicable at this time?
I agree. But the mere fact that you're insinuating or alluding to that she might be out, she's not sure she's out. I mean, I would rather you tell me this behind closed door rather than here, because the uncertainty.
Here me I said a dog is, man. Me I said mama out, but you know out dog, but she dead a dog, you see me? Catch a pre no dog it. And me I try to tell you say mama out and mama not out dog and mama out dog. You understand that? Dog, me not load up the thing dog, when you catch a pre dog and so bad man do the thing dog. That's I say dog is, you see me?
Okay, we get it. I get it now. But it's not really much of a code. It's like a plain 1, 2, 3. It's not a code.
Listen me, we'll leave it right here. But Nursebury do a good job and everybody do a good job. But people, I want you to know that good news for Vani, and you will hear more. Good news for Vani, and just go and pray. And I want you, as you hear she say in our last video, is that she never really said nothing bad. She said, "Oh, you fuckers doing," and I don't think the sensation them have no way bad because come on, common sense know what she mean. Like you just say, "Hey bitch, what's up, bitch?" No fool, no sound no talk. And when she say continue class the people,
Class them,
she's
yeah.
just saying that she know the people that talk bad about her, and the people them like fuck you blaggers, you know hungry. Who no just know how to full belly, just chat be a fuckery. That's what the blagger them do. Anyhow. Anybody want today's Ivany Day? We start by the
nonsense, because I've been listening to it and I still it's like he's saying a bag of nothing. You understand me? It's like he's saying a bag of nothing, but maybe you will be able to decipher it. So in the next clip that's coming up, you will see how he's telling us how the money is spent. So guys, thanks for watching my videos. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And I'm always so happy to all of you who take the time out, especially in these early days while I'm trying to build my channel. And for each and every one of you who take the time out to give the video a like, to give me a follow, it's really appreciated. Okay, not when we get big and have thousands and hundreds of thousands of followers, people are gonna jump on a bandwagon. Me I gonna know me they want people them. Anyway guys, listen what RT boss got to say, and I will see you in 5.
excitement. So, what you want to say about Ivany? Yes, today Ivany Day. By the way, anybody see Bling? Yes, because them have been at the court, you know. Bling, come yet?
I thought she was on, but I look again now.
Let me see, because I need to get the fuck off.
I'm so happy for her too. She,
No,
you know.
is she on?
No, not yet.
So, Bella, what's up?
Why am I there? RT, the people might give me cussing lesson because them say you're disappointed in me, so they might teach me off the cuss.
Okay, good. Catch up. That's
So
good.
I have a book and I write down some things. Yeah.
She actually was writing down from last night at work. In a Ghana bed yet, Bella?
We just get home about an hour ago.
Sir!
The book full.
Sir, that person there, who's that person?
Yes. Hi, sir. RT. Somebody is using your live and they were using your page to message me just now.
A book
Okay, thank you for bringing it up. For those
So
of
I
you
blocked
people-
them and I reported it.
Thank you. For those of you people who are listening to her, you are at risk too, because there's some scammer from Africa. Them only want to comment and they anyway them jumping down the inbox and half on the reading like me. Please to block them soon as them start half a reading and ask for money, block them. And the more you block them, they're gonna come back. Them coming like spiritual. See, I born in life as in our past and our character.
Yeah.
Come to realize when we analyze it, as some old age fuck out long time big woman have problem with Ivany, you know, me not like. So
Yeah,
all
like
long time, you have credible big woman out there, but most of the old long time fuck out when them were done with them latitude have problem with little young girl. They're looking to themselves and realize that she young, you know, she young, she just need somebody for advice her. But through them have, if you understand what I'm saying, because I don't think young people them have problem with Ivany, them love her because all of them young. I just the only age them have issue.
You're correct. You're correct, RT. Because if you go under my post that I made of her, most of the people that are under it curse are they all done out one them like you said. Me just write that down. The all fuck out done out one. Me write that in my book too.
Today's the day about Ivany because we are entertaining freedom. So we know that some good news are gonna go on tonight or last night before.
I know she'll come out. She'll come out, but you know, I just want her to make right choices and you know, not listening to people and you know, making wrong choices, but to stay on the right path. You know,
Yeah.
for the sake of her and her child.
Me don't want you to come over and start back and go up on a different direction in the sense of span a different way for better ourselves. But I do not think, right, we need to get above ourselves with she and our baby father. We should be on the outside advising. Remember me, I'm married man, me in a relationship, me know it go. I know if I want a single and have man, I know it go.
Yeah.
We should be on the outside advising both rather than try to place ourselves in and be the immediator. All I wanna take man was woman, I wanna have issue. None of the blood clot woman from this life can tell me say no man just compatible, no have issue. It's such is it. But maybe you
Right.
know over control it.
That
Yeah,
is
it's
so
impossible,
true.
RT. Trust
Good
me.
morning, y'all.
A weekly thing
Morning.
to have disagreement.
Morning.
You know.
Morning,
Auntie.
Nurse Brown, you're handsome like.
Yeah, look at him, he's so sweet.
So sweet, you're always there behind the camera.
Yeah,
Morning,
thank you.
RT.
Well, morning,
I
darling.
love the support you giving our Ivany. The last time I come on your live, my phone was messy. And y'all said I should get a new phone, but I was saying if you could give me a new punani. You remember that?
Me remember.
Well, my glad say Vani come out. To me, I don't know if she come out. I'm not sure if she come out, but I just feel it say she come out. I'm just happy. Say she have back her little baby. And God bless her. And I just want to say big up Uno for support her.
And I can help you with that new punani.
Sensation. Can I hear me?
Guys, if you're hearing her, say you're hearing her.
Yeah,
Yeah, them say hi.
Hey y'all, how you motherfuckers doing? I'm so cold, man. I'm starting to go and be able to say and class the people them same way. And I would have come in nobody own them. One sensation.
Thank you. Come down there. And he saying, if you tell Derek, say Ivany is him family. He saying, care World Dog, Swiss League, Perry picture come. What? Saying, want to go pan ranking.
Ivany.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I was browsing the internet yesterday and I see where a St. Catherine doctor has been locked up by the police because of what they seem to think that he's involved in gang activities.
Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, charges are expected to be laid against a popular medical doctor in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, who was arrested by the police as part of an ongoing investigation into the Klansman gang.
A Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, indicated that the doctor was pointed out in an identification parade today.
As the police continues its anti-gang effort, I wish to confirm that a 65 years old medical doctor was arrested by the police CETA, to be specific, on reasonable suspicion of breach of the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organization Act. His arrest emanated from the ongoing investigation into the Tesha Miller-led fraction of this Clans gang regarding provision of services made to the criminal underworld. He appeared on an ID parade today and was pointed out by 2 witnesses. He will be processed and the formal charges laid later on today or tomorrow.
Now, 22 alleged members of the gang have already been arrested and are currently before the Home Circuit Court. Those defendants, along with alleged gang leader Tesha Miller, are to return to court on Thursday.
The accused men who are charged under the act commonly called the anti-gang legislation are alleged to have participated in criminal activities between August 5, 2017 and August 22, 2022 in St. Catherine as alleged members of the Klansman gang.
Now, the charges against them include murder, conspiracy to murder, attempted murder, robbery with aggravation, illegal possession of firearm, and illegal possession of ammunition. To other news now.
He's a 65-year-old doctor from St. Catherine in Jamaica. Boy, 65-year-old and got jail. You know, when you think about these things, the network go really, really high. As high as you can think of in society, there's someone that is connected to a gang. But when people talk about gang, they always talk about the level, the surface level. But it's bigger than that. It's bigger than the surface level, because imagine you have a shootout with the police and a gunman, and a gunman get injured and him have him own private doctor where him can call and get his treatment, get his whatever removed, get bullets removed from him and get stitched up, and whether get him antibiotics or whatever. So it's like he doesn't have to go through the hospital. So that's the possibility of him getting caught. So enough of them things they are going on. Boy, when this thing is gonna stop? Honestly, people, when this thing is gonna stop? Now this man is 65 years old. 65 years old, and him involved in a gang activities. But it's good that the detectives, the prosecutors are trying to get everybody, that's every branch, all the branches, instead of just focusing on the ghetto gang members. They're branching out and looking at all the people who could possibly be involved in the gang. So that's a good thing. And I think what cleared the way for that is the big trial that went the other day. What was it? The black man trial with black man and Mama and City Post them and all of those people, where you have C4, the banker came and basically a C4 bust everything and I work undercover with the police. So based on the information that they would have gotten from C4, so it opened their eyes to investigate other areas that they might not have been thinking of. But it's a good move. Who should get put down is gonna get put down. But yes, they have to do what they have to do. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more.